All right, this will be the elevator at Macy's, Southlake Mall, Merrillville, Indiana. And we have got, I have no clue where it is. Long hallway? Yeah, long hallway, I guess. Here it is. Blaring music. I have no idea what this thing is. It's got like GAL. Here it is. It's a Westinghouse. A very weird and strange Westinghouse. Oh, it's got classic leveling. Very strange elevator. Books too. That is crazy classic leveling. Two panels. Definitely the strangest Westinghouse I've been on. 8,000 pound capacity. This is probably the only elevator in the store. Look at that Westinghouse. Classic leveling.